Hello, and welcome to another update video on HBAR. Yeah, I just wanted to take a quick look here at the shorter time frame. The price still has not given us any substantial evidence that a low has formed here on the 31st of May. It is what it is. The pullback at the moment that's unfolding here is still seen as a corrective pullback, and one more low is still preferred, especially as long as the market has not been able to break above initial resistance, and initial resistance is located between 16.8 cents and 17.6 cents. So I mean, we have we're testing against that level, but the price has not been able to break above resistance yet, which means the local downtrend, which started on the 12th of May, is likely still unfolding, and I'm still tracking that as I said, a corrective pullback, a WXY structure, and the Y wave would be an ABC pattern, and the C wave itself is always a 5-wave move. And I can only see 3 waves down from that B wave top, so ideally another 4-5 pattern to get 5 waves down. That could complete a larger correction. That being said, microstructures, the actual structures we're looking at here on the 1-hour time frame, they are often fragile. They are also, you get a lot of distortions on the smaller time frames. So on the smaller time frames, I find the levels are more important. They are more relevant. So, for example, whether a resistance is broken, for example, okay, that would be more important than, okay, could we need another low? I wouldn't say we need another low. It would look better, but we don't technically need it because the price already dipped deep enough for this to be considered a wave 2 correction. Yeah, normally we say a wave 2 should finish sort of in this area between the 78.6 retracement and the 50% retracement. That's exactly the area we're testing. Okay, market has shown a first reaction, great, but the reaction so far has been only in 3 waves. Therefore, no substantial evidence for a price top yet. For a price low yet. Okay, we need 5 waves up. 3 waves up aren't going to give us the evidence we need. So a break above resistance and a 5-wave move, best evidence we can get. Obviously, that depends on the size of the move as well. Even if we break resistance now, yeah, I mean, it would be a first 5-wave move up. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it would have to be a diagonal. It's very early. It's very small. So it would really only be early evidence. Okay, so I'm not convinced yet that a low has formed. I would still prefer one more low at this stage. Will likely change my view if the resistance area breaks, but I would still be cautious. Okay, that's very important to understand. Either way, as long as the market holds above the 14.2 cent level, which is the key support level that we talked about in previous updates, as long as the market holds above that level, there is absolutely no evidence that something more bearish is playing out. So good news is the market is likely bottomed on the 7th of April because we have a 5-wave move up, and then the corrective pullback is unfolding right now. That being said, we should hold this, or the structure is likely shifting towards something more bearish. But for now, price structure looks constructive because the pullback does look corrective, not too aggressive. So just waiting here to see if the market can generate a first micro 5-wave pattern to the upside. That's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.